calling this bitch. About to go hard on this bitch. Again, pussy. I been getting this cake, why you sitting down chillin'? Would you get up off your ass and go take you some chicken? I just made a quarter mil from yesterday, I was sitting. Why you hating on me, nigga? I'm just living my life. Why you stuck up in the box trying to roll up the dice? About to take her to Cali right now, or it's the flight. Let me pull another demic, I ain't fuck you all night, shoot. My baby, I just want another fucking vet. I can rush you to the whip, but I ain't talking about for sex. Had 2 times, put these boys back to rest. Gotta eat breakfast every day, bitch, I ain't no vet. I got some cookie in the rest. What you like a test? Hoes breaking necks. I got some tricks on the best. Hoe you like to flex, point you to the left.